Welcome to Dornhoffer Meadows, Aji Charapita Conservation Farm. And here we have a 2-year-old Charapita bush. This is another 2-year-old bush. And these little peppers are known to be the most expensive gourmet pepper in the world. They're from Peru, and we overwintered them indoors in these pots, and then we brought them back out in the spring, and they did all right. But somehow in the winter we didn't water them enough or water them too much. My dad was taking care of them, and so I think they could have come back a lot better, but just the fact that they came back is nice, because when you do that, if you have enough space, you don't have to start them from seed again. I don't know if I'd do it again. Maybe I would one more time just to see if I could do a better job, but if not, I'd probably just grow them from seed every year, because it's not that difficult and the pots take up a lot of space inside. But now we're going to harvest them, and these are ripe like that. That's as big as they get. And then you can just let them dry. I think I'll let them dry outside since it's still summer. Make sure it doesn't rain on them. And once they're dry, you can just break off the stem like that and crush it into your dish you're making. Or you could just crush them on your pasta or your food, whatever you like. You can fit them in your nose really nicely. And now I will eat one. Piece of cake. So flavorful. That's why it's so expensive, because they're so flavorful. And feel a pain sensation back of my throat. Usually they make me want to puke a little bit later. Doesn't take long. Maybe 30 seconds from now I'll get a bit nauseous. And already regretting my decision, but the initial flavor is wonderful. And ooh, wouldn't it be nice to have a hot sauce made completely from Aji Charapita peppers. I'm salivating. There's pain in my mouth, tongue area. The pain is also down the back of my throat. If you're having trouble staying awake when you're driving or meditating, you can have a little jar of these beside you and just chew on one, and then it'll wake you right back up. And then later, if you're falling asleep again, just the idea of forcing yourself to eat another one will keep you awake. There you go. Aji Charapita, Dornhoffer Meadows, 2022. Beautiful little pepper.